Hello cuties, my name is Cobella and today I'm so excited to open our Cobella Cutie Lip Glossy kits. Today we're gonna have so much fun with making the most liptastic lip gloss you have ever made. Are you ready to get started? I am. Let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do is open our boxes. I need for everyone to shake their boxes really fast. So the first thing I see are pink and blue lip glosses. These are gonna look so pretty on your lips. Let's see what flavors they are. Mine is strawberry. What's yours? Put your emoji down below in the comment section and let me know what flavors you have. My second flavor is blueberry. Uh-oh, make sure you have some paper towels handy because it will get messy. Now we have this weird thing. We're gonna call this our squeezy thingamajig. Can you say that? Squeezy thingamajig. This is gonna put the lip gloss in our tube. And girls love glitter, so we have tons of glitter to put in our lip glosses. And our squeezy tubes, so you can show all your friends the liptastic lip gloss that you have. All right, now our lip glosses are ready to be put in our tubes. So what was this called again? That's right, our squeezy thingamajig. We're gonna use this to put the lip gloss in our tubes. So what we're gonna do is we're going to untie our pink ribbon. And we're gonna open it just like this. And it may be tricky, so ask your mom or dad for help, okay? So now we're gonna take our tubie and place it on the top of our thingamajig. And this part, you can ask your parent for help as well, because we're gonna pour the lip gloss in our thingamajig. Look at all that cool glitter. So now you're gonna place your thingamajig on the table and open your tubing. You're gonna place your squeezy back in the thingamajig. And now we're ready to fill our tubes. Now I'm squeezing my final colors to make this really pretty purple and pink lip gloss. Now would you look at that? So now you just made the most liptastic lip gloss ever. Let's pucker up and blow a kiss. All right, now you guys are my Cobella Cuties. So remember, wearing your lip gloss, remember that you are a Cobella Cutie lip glossy girl. So see you next time. Bye cuties.